back to my channel. It's your girl Steffi J. Thank you for kicking it with the kit. Today we are going through these two clean beauty products in a first impressions video. I have never used anything from Skinfix, so let's get into it, shawty. Now before we go any further, I need you guys to do one thing for me and one thing only, and that's to hit that big red button to stay connected with me, these reviews, and these antics, shorty. So let's get on to this review. Okay, so first up is the Skinfix Barrier Plus Lipid Boost 360i. And the reason why we call it a 360 is because you apply the product all the way around. Now this eye treatment targets fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. And the way it does this is that it pulls moisture into your skin so that it looks more plump. Now for 15 milliliters of product, this is going to cost you $40. But don't fear, a little bit goes a long way. It's very movable, very spreadable. It doesn't have an overpowering scent. If you're sensitive like that, it's vegan, it's clean, and this is a product that I've been using for the past week. Now let me tell you, I was a bit skeptical, but when I stopped looking like a raccoon on day 2, I knew that this product did what it said it was going to do. Now if you're new to skincare and don't quite know how to incorporate this into your routine, you can either use it under your makeup or you can use it at nighttime just to give yourself a nice rejuvenation boost, so you wake up in the morning and you feel bomb.com because you did your self-care and your skincare at the same time. Love the packaging, it's super cute, and I'll just pump a little out so you guys can see. This is how it looks, and goes into the skin, and there you go. That is how it goes into the skin. It's not overly greasy. And since I am getting ready to chill for the night, I'm going to go ahead and apply it. And you can do it in your under eyes. And it says to go over your eyelids as well. So you want to be very gentle around this area. Your eyes are the most sensitive part. Now I know we're trying to treat wrinkles and fine lines and sunken eyes, so it would be a shame to cause more damage applying the product, so you got to take your time. This is not something that you need to rush. The next product we are going to talk about is the Skinfix Lipid Boosting Jelly, which is more like a cream. It's a very lightweight serum that is supposed to add moisture back into the skin. Now let's get a little bit out here so you guys can see. Now this is how it spreads on. See that? Very moisturizing. See, you see dry hand, moisturized hand, dry hand, moisturized hand. You want your face to look moisturized, sis. Now you guys know the deal. Fall is here and we all know what it's like to get slapped in the face by some disrespectful wind. So if I were you, I would start incorporating some serums into my skincare routine. So the Skinfix Barrier Serum is going to cost you $50 for 30 milliliters of product. And what it claims to do is to enhance radiance and pull in moisture and create an overall smoother appearance. So I'm just going to apply a little bit to my face. Now, unlike the eye cream, this has a little bit of a scent. It's not floral. It's, you know when you have face creams that say they're unscented, but it's that unscented scent. You know, I don't know how to describe it. I feel like I've used it before. It smells like something I've had in the drugstore, but I cannot put the name on it. If you have oily skin, this serum is not going to make you look like a grease ball. It's not. It gives you a nice little sheen. I am oily skin queen, so trust me, I know what it's like, but this hydrating serum will definitely work for you if you have oily skin. Now, if you have dry skin and you're looking for something with a bit more hydration, this might not be for you, but if you have combo or oily skin, I would definitely recommend this for you. And that is it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed checking out some clean beauty products with me. Thank you so much to Skinfix for sending me these products complimentary for review. If you like these kind of videos, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Speak.